In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Circle.so with Zapier. If you're looking to automate your workflows and connect Circle.so to thousands of other apps, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Circle.so admin account. This step is foundational as it allows us to access the settings necessary to connect with Zapier. If you've forgotten your password, now might be a good time to reset it so you don't get stuck in the later stages. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper corner of your dashboard and click on your profile photo. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. From there, select Integrations. These settings will allow you to enable integrations that extend the functionality of your Circle, so account through external apps like Zapier, adding incredible value to your platform. Now scroll through the list of available integrations until you find Zapier. Simply click Connect or Enable. If you're prompted to connect, proceed by clicking Connect again. If this is your first time, you might be prompted to authorize access. Be sure to allow Circle.so to communicate with Zapier so you can begin creating automated workflows. At this stage, if prompted, you'll want to copy your Circle.so API key. This is a crucial piece of information that grants Zapier access to your Circle.so account without compromising security. Make sure you store this API key safely for later reference or keep it on your clipboard. Next in the process, log into your Zapier account. If you're new to Zapier, take a moment to explore its features, as it's the engine that will automate your tasks. Once logged in, you'll be looking to create automation, known as a Zap. Click on Create Zap. This will prompt you to choose an app and event to serve as a trigger or action. In the search bar, type in Circle.so and select it from the drop-down options. This effectively tells Zapier that Circle.so is the app you'll be working with. Following this, you'll need to select a trigger or action. This could be anything, perhaps a new member joining your community or a new post added. Choosing a trigger sets off the chain of automated tasks you want Zapier to perform. After selecting your desired trigger or action, you'll be asked to sign in to Circle.so through Zapier. Simply paste the previously copied API key when prompted and click Connect. This securely links your Circle.so account with Zapier, permitting automated exchanges of information. It's now time to set up the actual Zap trigger or action. Click Continue once you've configured it and perform a test to ensure that everything is working smoothly. Testing your Zap is crucial to identify and resolve any glitches before putting it into live operation. Lastly, once you are satisfied with your test, click Turn on Zap. This finalizes the process, making your automation live. Congratulations! You have now successfully integrated Circle.so with Zapier, unlocking a world of automation possibilities that will save you time and streamline your processes. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newfound